Guys, look what happened on this beautiful trade right here. We got over 318 pips in literally less than 5 hours of trading. This was absolutely amazing. Guys, if you didn't watch me actually forecasting this trade, watch this trade video right here. All right, where I explain everything in terms of forecasting of this particular trade right here. So check it out right now. Right here, we're looking for buys, right? Let me show you what is happening right now. So you can see that we had a nice drop base rally which broke struck to the downside, to the upside right here. And then you can see that the market was kind of accumulating right here and then creating a lot of liquidity down here. So what I'm anticipating as the market opens, I'm going to see the market coming down, taking out this liquidity, coming into my drop base rally right here for me to actually look for buying opportunities. So as you've seen from the previous video right there, this was an absolutely beautiful trade. Like I mentioned earlier, this was a nice drop-based rally with a break of structure to the upside, and then we had nice liquidity, which was taken out right here. And then from there, the market was beautifully just kept on going to the upside. And the type of entry that we had right here was an aggressive entry because we didn't have any pullback into our area. It was absolutely amazing. Right now, the market has gone over 500 pips, and our target was literally 318 pips on this particular trade. Remember, my target was literally around here, but the market has gone all the way to where we are right now. This is the importance of you actually trading in the direction of the market. It's really important that you make sure that you zoom out, go to the higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame, see where the market is going long term, and then you want to trade in that direction. This is going to make sure that you are trading in the path of least resistance, and they're going to actually catch most of the trades like that. All right, so this was really nice, guys. This was really amazing. Like I said, this the forecast, both the pictures and the video was shared on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, everywhere for free. And congrats to those that were able to catch this trade, because this was just amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. And like I've said, all this was shared in our mentorship community and everywhere. All right. So if you are interested in be able to actually catch trades like this, right now we are still running a promotion, which is ending on the 14th of February 2025. You can't afford to miss if you want to become a consistently profitable trader, guys. All right, so make sure you check the first link in the description. We're offering 50% off all our services, mentorship, signals, and our ebook. Remember, with mentorship, you get lifetime signals, lifetime mentorship, free trading journal, free trading plan, free access to me where you're able to ask me any questions at any particular time and everything. All right, you guys. So make sure you check the first link in the description now for you to get yourself that promotion right there. All right, you guys. I really hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, and do all that good stuff. Until next time, goodbye and see you later.